In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now select All Services to scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Tap on Google Password Manager and hit Add Password at the top. If you can't see any of those options though, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Tap on this switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords to enable it if it's not already on. Exit Settings and log in into any app. Like, for example, Facebook. Now wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select Save at the bottom right corner of it and go back to Settings to hit Google Password Manager again. Now with all of those options visible, hit Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!